Welcome, children. Uh, as you all know, Unit 12 of Social Studies is a very long chapter. Till yesterday, we have done up to question number 6 from the textbook Improve Your Learning section. Today, I am going to give the answer of question number 7 and a few questions that have already come in the previous examinations. They are important questions. Today, we will see question number 7. List out the measures taken under the idea of welfare state under Great Depression. This is textbook question number 7. Answer. Point number 1. Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of USA, 1932, announced the New Deal policy. A. Relief to victims of depression. B. Reforms of financial institutions. And C. Ensure economic recovery. Point number 2. Welfare measures by USA and Britain. A. Retirement pensions. B. Social security. C. Unemployment insurance. D. Health schemes. E. Child and old age care. F. Education of children. Question number 8 and 9 in serial order. I am taking question numbers. Question number 8 and 9. From here, all questions spent $4,400 million. This is the table. Now you have to answer two questions. These are, each one carries 1 mark. Question number 8. Which country's annual growth of defense expenditure is more? Germany. Question number 9. Write any two reasons for the increase in defense expenditure in Britain and Germany. Answer. Point A. Arms race. B. Imperialism. C. Secret alliances. This is question number 7 and 8 of 2018. Question number 10. Create two slogans on preventing wars. This is question number 13 of June 2019. This is a 2-mark question. Point A. War divides world. Peace unites world. B. Welcome to peace. Farewell to war. C. War leads to despair. Peace leads to trust. Question number 11. Write two reasons for the failure of League of Nations. This is question number 4 of June 2018. Answer. A. The League was a powerless body. B. It could do nothing when member countries violated peace agreements. These are the two important points. Question number 12. Mention any one condition laid down in the Versailles Treaty. This is question number 3 of June 2016. A. The treaty imposed territorial penalties and military cuts and huge war indemnity on Germany. Question number 13. What are the important developments that took place in the first half of the 20th century? Explain any two of them. This is question number 14 of March 2017. Answer. Point A. Average life expectancy grew due to the discovery of new medicines. B. Literacy levels increased. C. New art forms like movies were invented. D. Aeroplanes were invented. E. New discoveries like atom bombs. F. More than 100 countries around the world became independent. G. A new polity, socialism, came into existence. H. Increase in crop production. Now, second part of the question. Explain any two of them. A. Discovery of new medicines led to lower infant mortality rate. B. Control of pandemics like cholera and plague. C. High yielding varieties of seeds increased crop production. D. Invention of aeroplanes reduced travel time to a great extent. Question number 14. What were the consequences of the World War that might happen after the Second World War? Here, the question framers have put a question on imagination of the students. Just we have to imagine and write what will be the consequences of another world war. This is a question of March 2018. Question number 12, it's of 2 marks. Then answer. what would be the consequences? Consequences means results. What would happen? A. Huge loss of life. B. Destruction will be on an unprecedentable level. Will be I have not written here, please write. Destruction will be on an unprecedentable level. C. Environment will damage completely. The whole environment will damage completely if another war takes place. D. Existence of life would be difficult. In many parts of the world, the life may not exist due to the bombing. Nuclear bombs are there now. We have got hydrogen bomb. We have got so many types of bombs. If such bombs are used in another war, the life on the earth would be difficult. So these are all the questions. You have to write answers from here and by heart the answers. Thank you, children.